We're getting set for the Great Okanagan Beer Festival and also enjoying some sausage from Grimm's Fine Foods. Yes, sausage and beer really does go well together. Okanagan Beer Festival is just a day away in the sunshine today, which we're going to get tomorrow.
Yes.
I have Courtney with me from Grimm's Fine Foods, and nothing says beer like a great sausage to go along with it.
Couldn't agree more.
Exactly. And you guys are sponsors of the festival.
Yeah, it's our first year sponsoring the event. We're super excited about it when we heard, sausage and beer. Like, really? Sausage, beer, sunshine, we're in.
It all goes together.
Yeah.
Now, you're going to be sponsoring the after party.
The cask crawl, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Will you be doing samples when people go around that night?
We're actually arming people with single-serve meat sticks, so they can actually just sneak them into the pubs and beer on their own.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we're nourishing people because, the priority is to get some beer into your belly as well. So
Exactly, yeah.
that's perfect.
Keep them going.
What will we be sampling at the festival?
We're actually going to be serving up European wieners and Bavarian smokies.
Oh, those look delicious.
Yeah, so we're offering them up at the festival, and all proceeds are actually going to the Central Okanagan Food Bank.
You're kidding?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Thank you for
Gotta help
that.
out where we can.
That's beautiful. Now, pairing sausage with beers, do you think that is something people are doing these days? Going, I want a particular sausage to go with this particular beer?
Yeah, I think they are. I mean, craft brewery to me is huge. You see that a lot of the breweries in the Lower Mainland, they are pairing with different salamis and charcuterie and sausages. We're seeing that more and more. So, I mean, I think, yeah, it's the same as wine. I mean, beer goes well with food. It all differs, needs a balance.
So we have the Brooklyn Lager that we were trying.
Yes.
And we're figuring that this goes well with the...
With the Hardy Bavarian Smoky, yes.
I knew it was a really long name, Hardy Bavarian Smoky.
Yeah, so this is a heartier smoky, and you can just kind of tell it's a little bit more dense, but you feel kind of like this is more of a man's meal.
That looks delicious.
So Bavarian Smoky with kind of a heartier beer.
So should we try that?
I think we should.
Should we sip some beer first?
I think it is 10 in the morning, right?
Yeah. Shh, don't tell anybody. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yes, exactly.
It is 10 in the morning.
Cheers.
Cheers. We'll have a little sip and then maybe a sausage. Oh yeah, that's good.
Right?
Wow, you guys know what you're doing. That's good. So we're tasting these meats from Grimm's Fine Foods, sponsors of the Great Okanagan Beer Festival. Courtney, I want to know what kind of meat we put in these sausages.
So in the European wiener and the Bavarian Smoky, they're both pork and beef. They're just kind of this one's lightly seasoned, this one's a bit of a coarser grind, so more of a heartier sausage, both in natural casings, and there's no gluten, no soy, no lactose, no MSG added, so anybody who has food sensitivities can use safely our products.
So this is healthy sausage eating.
As healthy as sausage can be.
Well, cheers. Now we're doing it with what do they call this? The 1664. Is this a good pairing with the
Yes, the
European
wiener
wieners?
is quite mild. To pair it, you don't really want anything to really overpower the meal, just to nicely balance it out. So this is why we agreed to do this one with the European wiener. I don't know if you want to try maybe that first.
Try this first. It's good. Cheers.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
That's very good. Perfect pairing. You can pair sausages and beer together.
Certainly can.
We'll be tasting the Great Okanagan Beer Festival. Thank you. Thanks to Grimm's Fine Foods for being such a big part of the Great Okanagan Beer Festival. Cheers, everybody, from Power 104.